Good day, everyone. Our lesson for this week is all about addition, subtraction, and multiplication of polynomials. Recalling the concept learned in grade 7, we add or subtract two polynomials by combining similar terms. Two terms are similar if they have the same variables and power. For example, 3x cubed and 2x cubed are similar terms. Let's have example 2.2.1. Add the polynomials. We have letter A, 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 10 plus 2x cubed minus 4x minus 8. We have here the solution. We can add the two polynomials using a vertical format. So, pinayang ani, you have to align similar terms. So, as you can see, we have here 3x cubed plus 2x cubed. Since we don't have an x squared here, so leave it blank. And then we have the linear term, which is minus 5x, and then minus 4x. And we have the constant. So, i-align lang na because we can't add different terms. So, similar terms lang ang atong pwede ma-add. And then, you can do the addition. Okay, so 3 plus 2, that's 5. Just copy the variable and its exponent plus 2x squared. Just bring it down. And then we have negative 5x plus negative 4x. So when we multiply, same sign. When we add, same sign. So you can just add it and then copy the sign. That's why it's minus 9x. And then 2 plus negative 8, that's negative 6. We can also add two polynomials using a horizontal format. So here it is. Kuha lang ang parenthesis. And then you combine like terms. So we have here 3x cubed plus 2x cubed. Giuban sila since we don't have a 2x squared. An x squared variable in power. So that's only one here there. And do the addition. Okay, another example, 2y cubed minus y squared plus 3y plus 5 plus 4y squared minus 5y. So using the vertical format, align the similar terms. This is by addition, so just bring down, you have, there's an addition there, huh? So this is 2y cubed, just bring it down, and then negative y squared plus 4y squared, that is different signs, so you have to subtract. So in adding different signs, you have to subtract it and then copy the sign of the greater value or the greater or the bigger number. And then we have 3 plus negative 5. So that's negative 2y and then bring down 5. You can also do this by horizontal format. Okay? And we get the same answer. Now let's have subtraction of polynomials. Adding and subtracting have the same principle, have the same, you have to align the similar terms. Okay, we have this rule in subtracting integers that we have to transform, i-convert nimo siya into addition. So, this is, di ba, minus 3x cubed plus 5x squared. But you have to transpose it, or i-convert mo into addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So, ang imong ipang change ang sign, if this is positive, mahimog negative. So, since we have here positive 3x cubed, so nahimo na siya negative 3x cubed. Positive 5x squared, nahimo siya negative 5x squared. We have plus 4x, minus 4x, and then plus minus 2, nahimong plus 2. And then you do the addition. Okay, from subtraction, convert to addition. And it change when you convert it into addition or you do the addition. So, change the signs of the subtrahend. So, kung unsa ang mga sign niya, Kung if it's positive, mahimong negative. So, change ni, because this is the same as when you multiply this, di ba? We have a negative 1 here. So, negative 3x cubed, negative 5x squared, negative 4x, and then we have negative times negative, so that's positive. That's why it's positive 2. And then, do the addition. So, 8 plus negative 3, that's positive 5. So, copy the x cubed. 3 plus negative 5, that's negative 2. Copy the x squared. Negative 1 plus negative 4, that's negative 5x plus 14 plus 2, that's 16. We can also use the horizontal format. So just change the sign. So as you can see, so we have minus, this is positive, so name mo siya negative 5z cubed. Since this is 4, I mean, this is not letter B. Okay, we have letter B. 4z cubed minus 7z squared plus 2z minus 3 minus 5z cubed minus 4z squared plus 3z minus 6. No, nabubulol ako sa z. Okay, so just change the sign of the subtrahend. Okay, because when you multiply this, imo mo na i-distribute ang sign. So we have, so negative 1 times 5, that's negative 5. Negative 1 times negative 4, that's positive. Negative 1 times 3, that's negative 3. Negative 1 times negative 6, that's positive 6. And then, go together ang similar terms. So, we have 4z cubed minus 5z cubed minus 7z squared plus 4z squared. 2 plus 2z minus 3z, then minus 3 plus 6. And then, you can do the addition. 4z cubed minus 5z. So, 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. Negative 7 plus 4, that's negative 3. 2 minus 3, that's negative 1. And then negative 3 plus 6, that's positive 3. So, we have the answer, negative z cubed minus 3z squared minus z plus 3. Now, let's have multiplying polynomials. So, find the product, or when we say product, that is the answer of multiplication. Okay? So we have 4x squared times negative 3x plus 2x minus 3. So what we will do is just distribute this 4x. So 4 times negative 3x, 4 times 2x squared, 4x squared times 2x, 4x squared times negative 3. And then we have negative 12. And when you multiply, what you will do with the exponent is you add the exponent. Not the same with addition and subtraction, that you will just copy the exponent and the variable. But here, in addition, we have to add the exponent. So, the loss of exponent, recall. I-recall ninyo ang loss of exponent that when adding, when multiplying variables or numbers with exponent, you have to add the numbers or the exponents, I mean. Okay, so power rule, that is the power rule of one of the laws of exponents. Okay, we have 4x squared times 2x, that's 8x cubed, plus 4x squared minus times negative 3, that's negative 12x squared. Okay, let's have another example. You can also multiply polynomials using vertical format. So, the same with what we do when we multiply numbers. So, kanilang 5 times 4 is negative 20. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3x squared, that's 15x squared. And then, move to the left. That's 2x times negative 4. That's negative 8x. 2x times x. Oh, that's 2x squared. And then 2x times 3x squared. So, 6x. We have 6x cubed plus, so 17, diba? This is addition here. Positive 15 plus 2x, that's positive 17x squared. Positive 5 plus negative 8, that's negative 3x. And then bring down negative 20. We can also multiply the polynomials using the vertical or using the horizontal format. So, distribute lang. First, you distribute to you can have other ways sa kani ang gigamit dire, we have 2y minus 3, and then ang ang 4y squared and 3y and this three terms mao ang divide. But you can use 2y times 4y squared. Ana siya, distribute. And then we have this na po, na. Para mas mugamay, so we use 4y squared. So 4y squared times 2y minus 3 minus, so we have a minus here, 3y times 2y minus 3 minus 5 times 2y minus 3. So we have, so 4 times 2, that's 8. And then y squared times y is y cubed. Since we have one exponent here, and then you add the exponent. So that's why we have a 3 exponent here. And then 4 times negative 3, that's negative 12y squared. And 6y, and negative 3y times negative 3, that's positive. So positive 9y minus negative 5 times 2y, so that's negative 10y. And then negative 5 times negative 3, that's positive 15. And then go together ang mga like terms since we don't have another y cube here. So copy lang ang y cube. And negative 12y squared minus 6y squared. So i-add sila. So negative 12y plus negative 6y. So we have negative 18y squared plus 9y minus 10y. That's negative 1y or negative y. And then copy 15. We have also special product patterns. You have this in your grade 8. Okay, sum and difference. So a plus b times a minus b. This will be canceled. So a squared minus b squared because we have a times a squared, then a negative ab plus ab, so ma-zero man, ma-cancel. So we only have a squared and then minus b squared since we have positive and negative uh, operation here, or plus and minus operation. And then we have square of binomials, a plus b squared. So we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is just a review since you already have this in your grade 8. So a minus b squared, recall na lang mo sa inyong na-learn. We have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And then we have cube of binomials, a plus b cube. So we start with a cube plus 3 because this is a binomial. Yes, a cube. So it's not a square. A cube, ang square 2, ang cube 3. So that's why we have 3. 3a squared times b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. As you can notice, ang exponent sa 3 is decreasing, and an exponent sa a is decreasing, and the exponent of b is increasing. So we have 3, 2, 1, and then 0. And then the b, 0 si b diri, 1, 2, 3. Muna. And if it is addition, it is easy lang ang atong mga operations because we will just use addition. So a minus b cubed, we have the same concept here, but we have negative and negative. So minus plus minus, minus plus minus, addition plus plus plus, subtraction minus plus minus. Okay, let's have example 2.2.6. Use the special product patterns to multiply the polynomials. 4z plus 5 times 4z minus 5. We have it here, o a plus b, a minus b. So, unsa ra, diretso ra, 4z. So, 4z squared minus 5 squared, and that is 16z squared minus 25. Another example, 2x plus 3y squared. Asa man na siya dapit? Square of binomial. So, we have this here. What we will do, 2x squared, so this is the a, 2x squared plus 2 times ab, 2x plus 3y plus b squared, which is 3y squared. And we have 4x squared plus 2 times 3, that's 12, and then 9 squared. Another example, mn minus 2 to the power of 3. So this is cube of binomial, the negative. So that is minus plus minus. We have the a, which is the mn cube minus 3 a squared b. So we have the a, which is the mn, and then the b, which is 2, plus 3a mn b squared. So 2 squared minus 2 cubed. Then we have m cubed. Distribute this power rule. Power of the power rule. Multiplication rule dito ang sa usa ka ganina, di ba? When we multiply uh, exponents, the exponents in multiplication is by i-add nimo ang multiplication. So we have here m cubed times n cubed minus multiply 3 times 2, so 6, and then m squared. This is by multiplication. 3 times 1 man na diha. We have 1. So if we have another number there, you multiply the exponents. And then 12. 3 times 2 squared is 4. That's 12. Minus 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2. This is not 2 times 3. This is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, that's it for our lesson in adding, subtracting, and multiplying.